Hi guys. For mic filters, I have you covered. You can change your mic filter to gain. You can add a threshold. You can noise compress it. And which I didn't do. In that case, you can hear my kid footsteps running through the house. Um, Perfect. This is perfect for that. Basically, you're gonna go edit your filters. You're gonna add a filter, whatever you're needing, noise gate. You can add that. You can play with all this to make sure that it's only picking up you and nothing behind you or anything. Um, which is perfect. Noise suppression, add noise suppression. This is perfect for me because I changed all my stuff and I lost all my filters, which is, you know, basically I'm gonna do that one. That one's more CPU use, but it'll be okay. Like you have all this that you can add and change just in case. Like if you just need to cover something, you can like adjust all this stuff. You can make yourself sound louder. You can make yourself sound lower. You can do all kinds of stuff, which is nice actually. You guys can't really hear me because I lowered everything down. But yeah, you can just edit all of this. Yep, there you go. I lowered our attack down. So you guys can't really hear me, but it's a nice feature to have. Especially if you have people all in the background. And I have no sound panels in my room, but that's not really gonna help. So you're gonna have to figure something out, and that's one of the things you can do. I do not know what this is, so we're gonna have fun. I don't have this, but it's fine. But yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys all about this. Yeah, it doesn't really have settings for this. I'm gonna clear this whenever I'm done playing with it. So yeah, check out all of this. Check out Streamlabs. Streamlabs is really easy to use. I'm gonna have to erase this whole filter when I'm done to re-add my gain. But yeah, this is all the video for today, and I will catch you guys next time.